But first and foremost thing would be, how do you keep track of something which is becoming obsolete and something which is on the realm of change, which is going to come in maybe after a few years. If you know that, itself will be a great help for India's policy planners. And who can do that better than an institute like yours? Because firstly, you are a multidisciplinary skills you possess. You are that way independent, but also all professionals. You are direct link with the industry, which is so important, because technology per se, if it is not an applied technology, then again it has some limitation, because it can just remain in some laboratory or in some academic institution. So we have a perfect understanding of all that. So first and foremost, in my opinion, an institution like yours should become a think tank for technology, and therefore try to guide the country as a whole as to what is coming and what is going out. That is very equally important. What is becoming obsolete. So that is also equally important. So even the guidance provided on these lines will be of great help to the country as a whole. Then comes another help that you can offer is, what is the best platform, what is the best ecosystem that we should create to adopt these technologies into different kinds of socio-economic activities. And there again, I can clearly see a role for an organization like yours. Knowing about your institution, I'm quite excited by the fact that you have such a structure in which membership driven, but with such top class people coming in and thinking about these ideas. I know about your institution, of course, but I would therefore like to challenge you to think what could be these new frontiers, which is something which not only for our own self, but something which will have an application globally. And particularly, we always look at applications when we say H1BC visa in USA. Can we think about applications in Africa? Use your combined knowledge, use technologies, known technologies today, the emerging technologies, and the future technologies which are still to come into the commercial domain. All of those together, how do you use them to bring higher rate of growth for the country? India future has to be technology driven, as it always has been. As I told you, the change of technology, the nature of technology has changed. The technology has always been driving it. But the kind of change that we are going to see in the next few years' time will be just phenomenal. So we should not just watch it, but we should drive it. And to drive it, we need strategy. Strategy cannot be made by someone like me who doesn't know much, but by you who understand everything so well. So let me offer you my best wishes and also reinforce my commitment towards making this happen with you as friends and partners. Thank you very much. Really thank you for bringing me into this very interesting group of professionals who are really pioneering work, doing a pioneering work in various fields of life. I hope we all seize it together.